In this video, I'll be showing you how to make $1,000 plus days with AI without showing your face. And there are a couple of steps, as you can see here, but essentially this here is what I'm referring to. Let me show you that. So as you can see, this has been created with AI, and basically I'm going to be sharing how you can actually do the same thing. And you can use this for long form or short form content. But the basic idea is to create these kind of videos to generate traffic, and then you can basically promote anything that you want. But where do you get the avatar? There are several ways of doing this. You can use your own picture if you want to. One site that I like to use, or one software, if you want to call it that way, is Midjourney. And you can test it out for free if you want to. And then they have a paid version, which is like, I think it's like $8 each month. Now, as you can see here, I've created tons of different images here. You just insert a prompt, like you see this one, Batman working from home in pajamas. And it looks like this. But essentially, you can get avatars from this software, this AI software. You can create essentially anything, and your imagination is basically the limit, okay? So right now I'm going to try to create an avatar here that we can then later on use for our purposes of creating these kind of videos. And I'm recording this video without showing my face just for you to see that it's actually possible to get results online without showing your face, because this is a question that a lot of people makes, or that they ask me. So let's do that right now. Okay, so I got two versions here. I like this one the most. I'm going to pick one of these here. Maybe this one here. I'm going to try with this one here. So I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to download this to my computer. And then I'm going to be using this for my video. But first of all, I'm going to go to Canva. And I'm basically going to use Instagram Reel for this purpose. But I basically have this saved from earlier, so you can see here, but I'm going to choose this here. And you can either create a video or an image out of this, but this is just for basically to get the exact size. So I'm going to take this image and I drag this over here. And now I have this image here, or these images. I'm going to make these other three images disappear, like that. And then I'm going to click on set image as background. Now I have this image here. If you want to edit this and make it clearer or brighter, you can also do that as well. Something like this, maybe. Yeah. And then I click on share. I click on download. I choose PNG, and then I click on download. Okay, so now we have the avatar. Now we need the script, which we're going to be merging together with this avatar and the voiceover. So let's do that right now. Now, there are a couple of ways of doing this. You can either extract the transcription or the script from a video, or you can create that basically if you go to ChatGPT, and you can create a script using that here. But for this purpose, and maybe a little bit easier, I don't know, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to paste the URL of a video that I found. Actually, the video that I showed you in the beginning of this video. I'm going to paste that here. I'm going to click on download. I'm going to download this video and use this and extract the transcription. I'm going to be showing you how I do that. So I'm going to download this video. I go back here, clicked on the wrong button. I'm going to click on that again. Okay, so I'm going to use Descript to extract the transcription, right? You can use any other system, but I just find this so easy to do with Descript. And you can use this with the free trial version that they have. So as you can see here, it's going to create this transcription now. So I'm going to wait for the software to do that. So as you can see here, now I have this script. I can use this as it is if I want to. I just copy this text here. Or I can go to ChatGPT and I can type in something like rewrite this script. Or an Instagram reel. But the same thing applies for TikTok. So basically, this is what I'm going to do. So I'm rewriting this. Okay, so basically I got this text here. Not sure why they gave me this way, but doesn't matter. It works. I copy this here, which is the actual script. And now we're going to make the talking part or the voice, right? So let's do that. And you can accomplish this by going to 11 Labs. And there's a free version and a paid version. I'm doing this with a free version right now. And as you can see here, I've just pasted this text here. I'm using this voice here. You can select any of the voices that they have here. And I'm going to generate a new voice, which we're going to be using in just a moment for basically merge everything together. Okay, so not sure if you could hear that voice, but essentially that is how this is going to sound. So now that this is ready, I'm going to click on this arrow here. I'm going to download this to my computer, and we're going to head over to another site, which is this site called DID. This is going to allow you to create basically talking avatars. Now you can get a free trial here, and essentially what you need to do, you click on create video, and then you click on add here, and I'm going to select this image, and then here I'm going to type, or I'm going to paste the actual script. Okay, so in some cases, they're going to recognize the face and they don't like to use the actual, that you use the actual face. So you want to make something similar. So what I did inside Midjourney, I typed in something like lookalike Chris Hemsworth looking into the camera stoic. So it kind of looks like him, right? But you can use any picture. Actually, you can use your own picture or any other picture created here within Midjourney. So, but for the sake of this example, I'm going to be using this. I'm going to grab this text, right, that we used or created earlier. I'm going to paste that here. And they do have a limit with a free version, so you want to consider that. You can make a shorter version if you want to. So basically that's about that. But then you want to upload the voice. I'm going to upload that voice here, which is this 11 voice or 11 Labs voice. So we're going to wait for this to create everything here. And then we're going to create or click on generate video. And then we click on generate and let's see what happens. Okay, so it's done. It is done. And it kind of looks something like this. Okay, so now you can download this. It's going to have a watermark, but there's basically ways if you want to get rid of that, if you want to. I'm not going to recommend that in this video, but if you want to get the paid version of this, you can also do that. And then you basically just download this, and then you can use this on any other or any social media platform, right? And what you can do, if you want to add text to this, we can go back to Descript and you can add that if you want to. So I'm going to create a new project here. And I'm going to add this video here. And I can go here. I just highlight this. I go to T or text and I click on captions. And this over here maybe. And then I click on play. And I go here to the start. And now you have a video that you can use, totally created with AI essentially. So we have talked about the avatar, the script, the talking avatar, the voiceover, everything done with AI. And then how you can earn, well, that's another thing that you want to consider, of course. If we go to Instagram here, let me show you my profile. I basically have a link in my profile, right? And when people signs up there, they get my training. And if they decide to work with me, they can do that. You can do the same thing, right? You can use products that you find on ClickBank or on DJ Store 24. Now, if you want an entire business created for you, which is what I do for my students, that generates me $1,000 to $2,000 paydays, even $5,000 paydays in some cases, and this is the system that I use. And I have weekly live calls, a private members area, and a Facebook group where I share everything that's going to help my student, that are helping my students get results online. This is a system that's generating me currently thousands of dollars online. And you can see the details below in the description. And as you can see, there's no limits to what you can do these days. Either if you want to show your face or not, this is possible. So this is answering a question that a lot of people have been, asking me. And hopefully this is useful. See you in the next one.